Let's talk about a typical day in the life of a hedge fund analyst who's going to a conference. The day is going to start like any other day. You're going to check for overnight news and flag anything that's market moving to your portfolio manager before you go over to the conference, which is typically held at a hotel. When you get there, your day is going to start with either a meeting or a fireside chat. A fireside chat is a 30 to 45 minute discussion between a sell-sider and company management. This is where they'll talk about trends and other areas of the business. Your job as an analyst is to listen for any changes that come out during that discussion. Let's say that the company has always said that the selling environment for their product is good, and today they say that the selling environment is very good. That's the kind of update you want to flag to your PM. Now, after the fireside chat, that might go out into a breakout session. A breakout session is when everyone moves to another room and investors can ask their questions to company management. But if there isn't a breakout session, you're probably going to go to your first meeting. Now, a meeting also lasts between 30 and 45 minutes. You'll have anywhere from 4 to 8 of these in a given conference day. And this is your chance to ask your own questions about your own thesis to the company management. But that's not all. You want to make sure that you're listening to what other investors are asking the company. That way, you can make sure you aren't missing any important parts of the bull or bear thesis for the company. You go through all of these meetings, and then the end of the day looks like this. You list your incremental takeaways and maybe how your numbers change in your model to your portfolio manager. And then you also have an opportunity to, number one, go through any other news that came out during the day and reflect how that might impact the names that are in your coverage. Or two, continue to prepare questions for the second day of the conference, because usually when there's one day of a conference, there are 2 or 3 days more to follow. And that's an example of a day in the life of a hedge fund analyst going to a conference.